Hello everyone, this is part 2 of Unit 1 analysis. In this video lecture, I will discuss sequence and series, convergence, limit supremum, limit infimum, Bolzano-Weierstrass theorem, Hayne-Borel theorem. So let us start with the definition of convergence. See the beautiful diagram shows the definition of convergence. For given epsilon positive, there exists n naught belong to natural numbers such that for all n greater than equal to n naught, xn must belongs to x minus epsilon comma x plus epsilon, or mod of xn minus x is less than epsilon. And some standard functions, if your r is between 0 to 1, and then r raised to n goes to 0. And same, if minus 1 to 1 raha to be, then also it will go to 0. And if mod r is less than 1, then n into r raised to it goes to 0. If a is greater than 0 and a raised to 1 by n goes to 1, n raised to 1 by n goes to 1. Fix a belongs to r, then a raised to n upon n factorial goes to 0. Let xn goes to 0, Sn be the sequence of arithmetic mean, then Sn is also 0. If xn goes to x, then sequence of arithmetic mean goes to x. N factorial raised to 1 by n diverges to infinity. Just like we have seen last one, a raised to n upon n factorial goes to 0. We are going to apply something here. And let r is positive, given that r raised to n by n factorial goes to 0. Their existence such that n greater than n, r raised to n upon n factorial is less than 1. So r raised to n is less than n factorial. Then r n factorial raised to 1 by n is greater than r. This proves the result. Bolzano-Weierstrass theorem. If xn is bounded real sequence, it has a convergent subsequence. If x1 equal to a, x2 equal to b, xn plus 2 equal to xn plus 1 upon 2, then xn converges to a plus 2b by 3. Root 2 root of 2 plus root 2 converges to 2. Limit n tending to 1 plus a upon n raised to bn equal to e raised to ab. As n going to infinity, log n, natural log n, is less than n raised to p, is less than b raised to n, is less than n factorial, is less than n raised to n, where p is positive and p is greater than 0 and b is greater than 1. log n सबसे छोटा है, n raised to n सबसे बड़ा है. log n से बड़ा n raised to p है, n raised to n से छोटा n factorial है, बीच में b raised to n है. ज्योमेट्री को तुमको पता है, 1 upon minus x equal to summation of x raised to n. हाँ, कभी भी ऐसा है, log n raised to log n है, then write e raised to log of log n, then log n, and e raised to log n, solve it. Same है. Similarly, if something summation 2 raised to n upon 3 raised to n, it is simple, just like can use who is bigger. Limit comparison test. See 3 raised to n and n cube. I ignore n cube because 3 raised to n goes faster. And summation 1 upon 2 raised to log n equal to summation 1 upon n raised to log. Same, we can write as log of 2 raised to log 2, and this will be like this, and then this will be n raised to log 2. If summation of n converges, then an goes to 0. Comparison test. Let summation of n, summation of b, series of non-negative. Assume that an is less than equal to bn for all n. Then if summation of bn is convergent, so summation of n. If summation of n is divergent, so summation of bn. Harmonic series summation 1 upon n raised to p is divergent if p is between 0 to 1 and equal to 1, and it is convergent if p is greater than 1. Ratio test. Let summation of cn be the series of positive. Assume that limit into infinity cn plus 1 upon cn equal to r. If r is between 0 to 1, then convergent. If r is greater than 1, then divergent 0 पे आता है यहाँ. Tested in class if r equal to 1. Cauchy root test summation of then nth root equal to a. If a is between 0 to 1 or equal to 0 आता है, then it is convergent. If a is greater than 1, then it is divergent. A equal to 1 inconclusive. Limit comparison test, we are talking about two series summation of a and summation of bn. Let rho equal to limit en upon bn. If rho is finite and positive, then both converge or diverge together. If rho equal to 0, then summation of bn जो नीचे वाला था converge, then summation of an converge as well. If rho equal to infinity and summation of bn diverge, then summation of an diverge as well. Integral test. Assume that f from 1 to infinity to 0 to infinity be continuous and decreasing. Let an equal to f of n and bn equal to integration 1 to n f of t dt. Then summation of an converges if bn converges, summation of an diverges if bn diverges. Cauchy condensation test. If an is a decreasing sequence of non-negative terms, then summation of an and summation of 2 raised to k a 2 raised to k are either both convergent or both divergent. If summation of an is a convergent series of non-negative terms of an decreasing, then an goes to 0. Dirichlet test. The series summation of ak bk is convergent if the series sequence of partial sum an is bounded and bk is decreasing to 0. मतलब एक का partial sum bounded और दूसरा decreasing to 0. Assume that the series summation of ak is convergent and the sequence bk is monotone and bounded. Then series summation of ak bk is convergent. एक convergent है, second sequence है monotone and bounded. If summation of n is conditionally convergent, then the series positive term, negative term both diverges. A conditionally convergent series can be made to converge to any arbitrary real number or made to diverge to rearrangement. Rabi test. Summation of u and b is positive term series limit n tending to infinity and un upon un plus 1 minus 1 unequal to L. If L is greater than convergent, if L is less than 1 divergent, if L equal to 1 fails. Logarithmic test summation same. Limit n tending to n into log of un upon un plus 1 equal to L. If L is greater than convergent, L less than or divergent equal to 1 fails. Gauss test. Un upon un plus 1 equal to alpha plus b upon n plus gamma upon n raised to p, where p is greater than 1. Alpha and beta are constant. Gamma is bounded sequence. If alpha is greater than 1, then summation of un convergent. If alpha is less than 1, summation of un divergent. If alpha equal to 1 and beta is greater than 1, then summation of un convergent. If alpha equal to 1, beta is less than equal to 1, then summation of un is divergent. Limit inferior and limit superior. Given a bounded sequence an of real number, let an equal to set of all xk where k greater than equal to n. Okay, did you understand what is an? an is set of all xk means even क्या रहेगा, it will be all those which are greater than 1 means x1 x2 x3 ऐसा. a2 will be x2 x3, a3 will be x3 x4 like that. Consider the number Sn equal to infimum of an and Tn equal to supremum of an. Okay, so Sn क्या लिया मैंने, infimum of an लिया, means S1 will be infimum of a1, S2 equal to infimum of a2, where a2 is x2 x3 x4 like that. If mod xn is less than equal to m, that is bounded, then Sn is increasing sequence, Sn is increasing sequence of real bounded above and Tn is decreasing sequence of real bounded below. Then limit lim inf of an, that is limit Sn equal to lub of Sn, and limit sup of A and the tilde sup will be GLB of Tn. It's simple. इन्फिमम की बात किया तो क्या रहेगा, एल यू भी रहेगा ऑफ एस एन एस एन क्या लिया मैंने, इन्फिमम का लिया, एंड सुप्रीमम के लिए विल बी जी एल बी, जो सुप्रीमम का सेट है. If it is not bounded, then it will be infinity. Thank you so much. We will meet with the next topic, continuity, differentiability and mean values theorems. Thank you so much.